Hi kids, it's Pimmy again. And today, when I'm coloring, I think I'm gonna color something from my Avengers cards. Right there. Today, I wanna do heroes. What are you gonna color? Are you gonna use colored pencils, crayons, chalk, markers? It's all up to you, as well as what you want to color. But remember, you've got to have paper because we always color on paper. So let's get started. Today, we got the Hulk, and this is a hazmat symbol for the nuclear stuff that made him who he is because of the gamma rays. So, we're gonna color in our Hulk today. And I think today I'm gonna color in the Hulk the way that I usually see him, which means that I need some green so that we can color in our Hulk. And I'm gonna start with his foot down here, but not his pants because his pants are not green. Only his skin. And his skin is only green when he's the Hulk. When he's Bruce Banner, he just looks like a normal guy. And I'm just gonna go around all my edges. Just like that. This way, when I color in the Hulk, I can go from one green to the other green. From green line to green line. And I won't have to worry so much about these small little black lines I'm trying to stay inside of, because all the green is gonna be inside of them. And it makes it much easier for me to stay inside of the lines and always on my paper. And we have to stay on our paper all the time when we're coloring, because if we don't, we make a big mess. Nobody wants to make big messes. So let's stay on our paper. How many fingers does the Hulk have? Did you count them? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers on this hand, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers on that hand. The Hulk has 5 fingers on both hands. Oh, look now, we gotta be careful coloring in his face, or else we'll get his eyebrows, and we'll get his eyes, and we'll get his teeth. And we don't want to color any of those in with the green, because those are all different colors, especially his teeth, because the Hulk must brush his teeth and keep them very clean. I bet his teeth are white. So we need to be careful about coloring around his mouth and not coloring in his teeth green, or else they will look very yucky. Now I did all the edges, so now I can just color it all in. And just go from the green all the way up. And I just stop where the green lines are that I already put around the edges. It makes it so much easier for me to stay inside of all my lines. See how quick we can do it when we go around the edges? And all while staying inside my lines. I just have to slow down when I color in his face so that we don't make his teeth look all yucky. Because the Hulk brushes his teeth, so he doesn't have yucky ones. And his fingernails are gonna be a darker green, so I'm just going to color them in more than once. See how I just kept coloring it? I'm not being rough, I'm still being very gentle. I just colored it lots of times in little circles, and it made it so much darker. And watch, if we color over the Hulk again, he gets darker too. I'm still gentle with my pencils so that I do not break them. But because it's just getting a second time that we color it, it makes the Hulk a little darker. I think it looks pretty good getting a second time. What do you think? Do you like the Hulk better now that we did another time across with our green color? I think so. But I got a little crazy and I went outside some of my lines, so I'm gonna have to be careful about that in the future. That way I can get better. And the Hulk's hair is also green, but it's a darker green. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this black color very gentle on his eyebrows, just like that, because your eyebrows are the same color as your hair. And then I'm going to use the black pencil very gently on his hair as well. But more on the edges than in the middle. That way, when I use my green to make his hair green, it will be dark. Watch. I color over the black with my green color. And see how you can tell that the black is there still? But you can see the green in his hair too? And it makes the green darker than it is in his fingernails. Because when we added black to the green, it made the green darker. And that's all for our one green color, GR. E, E, N. Green. And it is our first color. But our black color is not done. I'm gonna use it to color in the inside of this symbol up here for radioactive stuff. That's a hazmat symbol for radioactive, because a nuclear test let out a bunch of gamma rays, and those gamma rays made the Hulk. So they put the symbol up here for radiation, because that's what gamma rays are. And the Hulk was very lucky that this is what happened, because radiation makes people very sick. It is not a good thing to have to deal with. So when we see these symbols, we know to leave things alone and let other people deal with them who know how. Otherwise, it might make us sick. I'm gonna use this black color to just color in this little line around the pocket on his pants, and to be very gentle with where his pants ripped. So that it can be just a little bit darker here than on the rest of his pants, just like it was in his hair. And that'll be all done with our one black color. B-L-A-C-K. Black. And our one green color, because it's our first color. And then we add in our one black color, makes 1, 2. We've used 2 colors now, and black is our second color. I think I'm going to use this color for the Hulk's pants. Because I like to imagine that the Hulk is wearing blue jeans. Because a lot of people wear blue jeans. Do you wear blue jeans? Does your mommy wear blue jeans? How about your daddy? Does he wear blue jeans? I bet so. But maybe not all the time. But I bet they do wear blue jeans sometimes, huh? They're very popular for people to wear because they are so durable. That means that they're tough. And we'll color them one more time, just like we did with the Hulk, to make the blue jeans a little darker. Just like that. And that will be our... Oh, wait a second. Let's give him blue eyes too, since we already have the blue out. That would be a good color. And that will be all for our one blue color. B-L-U-E, blue. And our black color was our second color. So now we have two colors. And we add in our one blue color equals 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So blue is our third color. Now let's pick a color for our background. I think I want to use this red one right here. Get the spot between his foot and his thigh, and then we'll go around his pants and up the side. But not the Hulk. The Hulk isn't gonna be red today, so we need to be careful about coloring inside of our lines again, just like always. That way we can get in all our practice and make sure that we have better practice next time. We just get a little bit better each time we go about doing our practice with staying inside our lines, just like this. And that makes it so that later we can color in and do much better with our colors. And gotta be careful now that we're over by the Hulk's arm again. We don't want to give him a red arm. We're going to be very careful about staying in those lines so that we can just try to do our best. And then maybe next time we don't go outside of the lines at all. Or maybe we only go outside the lines just a little bit. And that would be better than this time. And that means that we're getting in good practice. But when we make mistakes, we don't stop coloring. We just keep on coloring. Because coloring is fun. We just say oopsies and keep coloring, but try to do better about our lines after we make a mistake. Mistakes don't make us need to stop, they just make us need to try a little bit more. Just like I did with these spots. I missed a lot in some places, but that's okay. We just keep on going. And now I'm all done with my one red color. R-E-D. Red. And blue was our third color. So 3 colors were used then, plus our one red color equals 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So red is our fourth color. Now we're gonna color in the inside of this symbol. And I'm gonna color it with this yellow. Going all the way around in this little circle in the corner. Just like that. And then we have these shapes inside. How many sides do these shapes have? Should we count them? I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides on those, like a rectangle and a square. But it's not a rectangle or a square. And because this line curves and it's not straight, it's not a normal shape at all. It's a shape that's special for this picture. But what shape is this one right in the middle that I'm coloring now? That one is a circle. So we had 3 special shapes and 1 circle inside of this ring right here. And we made all of those yellow. With 1 yellow pencil. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. And red was our 4th color. 4. Plus our 1 yellow color equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So yellow is our 5th color. And we said that the Hulk brushes his teeth and keeps them so clean. So we need to use our white pencil and color in the Hulk's teeth. Just like that. And that is our 1 white color. W-H-I-T-E. White. So yellow was our 5th color. 5 plus our 1 white color equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And white is our 6th color. So today we colored in the Hulk using 6 colors. C-O-L-O-R-S. All done. I hope you had as much fun coloring in our Hulk today as I did. And we used 6 colors. And we talked about circles and rings. And we also talked about how the Hulk got his powers and turned green with radiation. And that's why we stay away from that little symbol up in the corner. We don't mess with things with that on it, or else it might give us some owies. We don't want those. So until next time, keep on practicing coloring inside your lines, but always on paper. And make sure that we always put away our colors when we're done. Until then, bye-bye!
Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe down below.